This guy is saying, if I can't make at least $1 million a year on top of the $200,000 salary that I get from the taxpayer, it wouldn't be worth it to me.
Which side are you on? Which side are you on?
There's been movement, finally, to ban stock trading among members of Congress. This seems like an obvious move to me, especially as so many members of Congress last year, including Alabama Senator Tommy Tuberville, traded millions of dollars in stocks and beat the market. It's incredibly hard to beat the market. Almost nobody can do it, and yet most Congress people did. So Congress has access to information that the rest of the public is simply not privy to. And barring them from stock trading only seems right, especially since we pay them to represent us, not to become millionaires off the information that they have special access to. Because of the obvious nature of this proposal, many Republicans even and Democrats are falling in line and supporting the measure, even those that had previously opposed it, like Nancy Pelosi, except Alabama Senator Tommy Tuberville. So,
the old ball coach.
Yeah. This is just insane. Senator Tommy Tuberville on Wednesday rejected proposals to ban members of Congress from trading stocks, calling the idea, quote, ridiculous. He said they might as well start sending robots up here, the Alabama Republican told The Independent's Eric Michael Garcia. Quote, you can't do anything. He also said, I think it would really cut back on the amount of people that would want to come up here and serve. I really do. Tuberville added, we don't need that.
Oh. I think these comments are much more revealing than he maybe understands.
It'll come as no surprise to you that, in addition to beating the market, he failed to abide by even the meager reporting requirements currently placed on Congress people. From a report on Congress folks' stock trading in 2021, Tuberville was one of the worst violators of the Stock Act in 2021, disclosing 132 stock trades weeks or months late, with transactions totaling at least $894,000. So I think, frankly, if there are people who would serve in Congress but would be dissuaded by a stock trading ban, we would be better off as a country.
Yeah, I mean, what if the types of people who are in the Senate, the House, the executive branch, what if they didn't just have like $894,000 lying around in trades?
In a year.
In
1 year.
Right, yeah, that's just
and that's just his late trades.
Right, that's just a tiny piece of his overall assets.
That's insane.
And so just the assets he has that he is flagrantly, violating the law, just that alone would be enough to sustain how many families in Alabama? But the
median wage in Alabama is $40,000 a year. $40,000 a year. And this guy is saying, if I can't make at least $1 million a year on top of the $200,000 salary that I get from the taxpayer, it wouldn't be worth it to me.
Now,
it wouldn't be worth it to me.
I'll confess that I don't know the fine details of this stock trading ban, but I'm going to assume that you could still have like a generic investment.
Yes. You can still have
put your money in a
funds.
mutual fund
Mm-hmm.
and just let it go.
Right.
So this is not, I I think he's trying to do this victimization thing, but it's not as
Right.
if he's no longer allowed to make money on the massive amount of money he already has.
But frankly, we would also be better off as a country if that were part of the if that were part of the
sure,
ban. Like
yeah.
you can't invest anything, no investments while you're a member of Congress.
Except worker-owned co-ops.
Except right. Yeah, we could try to incentivize worker ownership. But
Well, we want to get you elected up there, Jacob. That's
There we go.
Put that top of your list.
there we go. The attorneys of Maples, Tucker, and Jacobs are proud to represent working people in Alabama and across the Southeast. They have over 100 years of experience representing injured workers in workers' compensation, personal injury, and disability claims. Let their attorneys help you when you get injured on the job. You can find them at www.mtandj.com or 855-617-9333. Let Maples, Tucker, and Jacobs help you when you get injured on the job. Again, the website is www.mtandj.com or the phone number 855-617-9333. No representation is made that the quality of legal services is greater than the quality of legal services from other law firms.